Here we are, February 3rd, 2025. We're going to talk about some real estate information that I've been seeing online. Most of the information seems to be being publicized by AI and artificial intelligence, talking about where the market's going to be. And usually it seems like that information seems to be a bit self-serving for whoever has built that chatbot and that particular website. So I will be one of the first here in Santa Clarita to tell you watch out for that information, because a lot of it is predictive and based on what you already are intending on doing. It's just continue to reinforce it. If you're anti doing anything with regard to real estate, then the system will be built around a different type of algorithm. So when it starts to interact with you, it will slowly but surely try to mold and bend you into wanting to do something in real estate that you might not be prepared to do. The best thing to do is talk to an actual human being about the real estate market, about what the trends have been and what they're currently seeing, as was the case yesterday in an open house I was hosting. People came in, they wanted to know where the market was, and as far as they were concerned, they better hurry up because everything's going to be going crazy here in the next few months. And what I told them was this: we don't know exactly how the market's going to develop. If we get an overabundance of real estate listings, which we will start to see an increase in real estate listings over the next few months, probably starting about mid-February, which we are here, into March and April. We don't have that buyer drive to go with it, then the market will become more of a buyer's market, and then prices will have to do some kind of adjustment. Now, if we have a similar circumstance where we have a lot of listings into the market, but also a lot more buyers start to get out there to buy real estate, then we could have more of a leveling type market, or more of an equal buyer and seller market, where our market on time frames are probably going to be 2 to 3 months, depending on the listing and depending on, of course, how that pricing strategy is. Now, let's say we don't put any more listings on the market, but then we have a really high buyer drive, then it's going to remain kind of where it is now, in a seller's market zone. What do I predict? I predict what's going to end up happening is we're going to see those additional listings and basically an equal type buyer drive, keeping the market pretty hot, but not seeing that overabundance where you have a whole lot of buyers and a complete seller's market. I also don't see it the other way either. I don't see it developing into a full buyer's market, just because we do have the limited amount of inventory available now, and that's probably not going to go crazy here in the next couple months. In addition, we have new housing, a lot of them are building, but there's also some extra Mello-Roos and also very high HOAs depending on the community. We'll see you in the next one. Check out SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com.